Alright, UFC Knockout 2012, box break number 4.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Fistograph, I will open it at the end. Alright, pack number 1. Alright. From the back, Alessio Sakara, Chan Song Jung, Chris Cyborg, Georges St. Pierre, and Uriah Faber, Matt Relic, number 191 out of 288. Mini box number 2. Jose Aldo, Scott Hargensen, Junior Dos Santos, Mauricio Rua, and Frankie Edgar, Relic Patch Hoto, number 33 out of 200, red patch. Box number 3. Je l'avais déjà, mais pas autour. Jeff Curran, Misha Tate, Mark Hominick, in the hit. Oh, redemption. Fighter Red Ink nickname parallel of Junior Dos Santos. Awesome. Box number 4. Not a book. Rory McDonald, Ryan Bader, Miguel Angel Torres, Travis Brown, and Matt Relic, Junior Dos Santos, number 142 out of 288. Box number 5. Alright. Brandon Vera, Anderson Silva, Sexyama, Wanderlei Silva, and the hit, Shane Carwin Otto. Number 86 out of 200, white patch. Box number 6. Yoshino Kami, Forrest Griffin, Joan Bones Joan, Frankie Edgar, and the hit, Hope, looks like a triple threat. Triple threat Brock Lesnar, Madsen, and Pat Barry. Number 30 out of 36. Nice. Box number 7. Not a bad break so far. John Fitch, Brian Ebersol, Shane Carlin, Renzo Gracie, and the hit, Ryan Couture-Hoto, numbered 79 out of 159 on card. And the last pack, George Santiago, Tim Kennedy, Rashad Sugar Evans, Frankie Edgar, and the hit, Stipe Miocic, patch. Oh, cool patch. Number 32 out of 88. Alright, let's see the Fisto. Hope it's a GSP. Frankie Edgar, number 6 out of 10. Really nice. Well, that's it, guys.